I would just eat until I'm dead, probably. A normal day for me is wake up around 12, figure out something I'm going to eat immediately. TV, video games, bed. I've always been a big kid. Out of high school, I was probably 300 something pounds. But then I got out of school, got a couple of jobs at a couple of restaurants. I ate at them. I was probably around 500 pounds then, and it was just getting too difficult to work, so I quit my job.
Greatness. It's just something we made up. Somehow we've come to believe that greatness is a gift, reserved for a chosen few.
I'm not trying to veer to the left or veer to the right or gradually get it together. I'm getting ready to do something so radical and so massive. I'm going to turn the whole thing 180 degrees.
And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me.
I haven't been able to eat a lot of stuff, but I still have these inner thoughts always of, did I do enough? Am I about to fail here? What's going on? Because scales have always been something I feared. Today it makes me really glad I did it. And I feel excited about the future for the first time in a long time. It's been 3 months since my surgery and I feel good. Little things are changing in me that I didn't really expect to change so quickly. As I accomplish more, my self-esteem is rising, so I feel like I can do more. So it's just a good feeling. Fit an extra large shirt. I fit in size 38 pants. 36 probably could have fit actually, especially on the stretchy ones. And someone recognized me in public and made me turn so red that I just got super embarrassed. It was really dope. It was really cool. Thanks for watching this video. That's really the end. It felt really good. I almost want to cry right now because I was pretty happy about talking about the whole thing.